Hello everyone and welcome to this informative video on the success of quiet people. It's a common misconception that success is only for the loud and extroverted, but the reality is that success can come in many different forms and from many different personality types. Quiet people in particular have their own set of unique qualities that contribute to their success, and in this video, we're going to explore 10 reasons why they are often more successful than others. So if you're someone who identifies as a quiet individual or simply want to learn more about the topic, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I promise you won't want to miss a single video from me. Let's dive in. The first reason, quiet people are excellent listeners. One of the key traits of quiet individuals is that they are excellent listeners. They have the patience and empathy to truly understand what others are saying and take the time to process the information. This skill can be invaluable in the workplace, where they can be effective communicators and leaders, as well as in relationships where they can understand the needs and wants of others. 2. They are highly observant. Quiet people are also known for their ability to be highly observant. They pick up on subtle details and body language, which can give them an advantage in various situations, such as work projects or negotiations. This skill can also help them anticipate the needs and wants of others, making them great problem solvers. 3. Quiet people are reflective. Quiet individuals are often introspective, meaning they take the time to reflect on their experiences and decisions. This allows them to learn from their mistakes and grow as individuals, leading to greater personal growth and better problem-solving skills. 4. They are confident in their own skin. Quiet individuals are comfortable in their own skin and do not feel the need to constantly seek attention or validation from others. This self-assuredness can translate into greater confidence in the workplace, where they can make effective decisions and lead with authority. 5. Quiet people have a strong willpower. Quiet individuals also have a strong inner drive and are able to persist in the face of obstacles. They are resilient and determined, which is a key ingredient for success. This inner drive allows them to focus on their goals and aspirations, leading to greater success in the long run. 6. They are strategic thinkers. Quiet people are often known for their ability to think before they act, and they often have a well-thought-out plan in place. This can lead to more effective decision-making and better results in both personal and professional life. They consider all possible outcomes and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision, leading to a more 7. They are creative. The introspective nature of quiet individuals often leads to greater creativity. They have the time and space to allow their minds to wander and explore new ideas, which can lead to innovative solutions and unique perspectives. This creativity can be a huge asset in the workplace, where they can bring new and fresh ideas to the table. 8. Quiet people are self-sufficient. Quiet individuals are often independent and self-sufficient, which means they do not require constant attention or validation from others. This allows them to focus on their own goals and aspirations, leading to greater success in the long run. They are not afraid to work alone and take ownership of their own success. 9. The rise of confidently quiet individuals. Understanding how reserve is becoming a force to be reckoned with in the world of success. In a world that often values extroversion, it can be easy to overlook the quiet ones. But it's important to remember that behind every reserved individual is a unique set of qualities and skills that are driving their success. From exceptional listening abilities to a high level of observance, creativity, and strong willpower, quiet individuals possess traits that are allowing them to confidently make their mark in the world and achieve great things. So it's time to celebrate the rise of confidently quiet individuals and understand how their reserve is becoming a force to be reckoned with in the world of success. 10. They value deep and meaningful relationships. Quiet individuals often value deep and meaningful relationships over large social circles. They are choosy about the people they let into their lives and invest time and effort into maintaining those relationships. This can lead to a stronger support system, which is crucial for success, both personally and professionally. So there you have it, 10 reasons why quiet people are more successful in life. Quiet individuals possess a unique set of qualities that allow them to excel in their personal and professional lives. From excellent listening skills to high observance, creativity, and strong willpower, quiet individuals have a lot to offer. So don't let society's perception of success fool you. Success can come in many different forms, and quiet individuals have just as much potential for success as anyone else. I hope this video has given you a new perspective on the potential of quiet individuals. If you're a quiet individual, then know that you have a lot to offer and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And if you're not, then I hope this video has shown you the value of quiet individuals and their unique qualities. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, thanks for watching.